Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an account on Monese. To get started, download the Monese app. When you open it for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Tap Get Started if you don't have an account yet. The app will request location access, so go ahead and allow it while using the app. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. After that, it'll prompt you for an invite code, but it's just optional. Also, enter the location where you're in, for example, in UK. You'll be asked to confirm it and then choose whether to allow notifications. After that, you'll need to verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This will open a web page. Click to return to app from there. The app will then ask you for mobile number. Enter it, verify it with a code you receive via SMS, and proceed to enter your address. Now, you'll be asked to choose your account currency. Options include GBP, Euro, or RON. After selecting one, the app will prompt you to verify your identity using a government-issued ID like a passport, driver's license, or residence permit. Scan your document, and the app will upload both the image and a photo of you for verification. This may take a few minutes. Once verified, you'll need to answer a few short questions about your finances and how you plan to use your account. And that's it. That's how you create your Monese app in UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.